everyone, Glama here again. Today I am going to show you what my husband bought me. Woohoo! I turned 50 today and I've been kind of depressed about it because I feel like, oh my goodness, this is my halfway marker for life. If I even make it to 100. So you may not think I look depressed because I hide it well, don't I? But no, it is kind of bothersome that I'm 50 today. So anyway, he knew that I was depressed, and we don't really celebrate birthdays in the traditional sense of celebrating birthdays, but he knew that I was kind of down and out, so he knows that I'm trying to learn a lot about makeup and brushes and stuff like that, and he knows that I'm trying to help other maturing, aging women out there like me. So the more I learn, the more I can help. And so let me show you what he bought me. I already opened it up, but I put it back in the package so that it would look pretty for you guys, so you would see how he gave it to me. Isn't that a pretty bag? Ooh, pink's my favorite color. Alright, so let me show you what he got me. I've been wanting these. I bought them for my daughter, Finesse, who's 23, right before we came to Texas, maybe 3 months ago or so, and I was jealous that I was getting them for her. I wanted them for myself. But of course I got them for her, and I'm happy that she has them, but now I have them. Woohoo! Alright, so let me show you. So he went to bhcosmetics.com and ordered me the largest set of brushes that they own. I'm not sure how many pieces it is. Adam, do you know how many pieces the brush set is?
36.
How many?
36.
36! Woohoo! He says they're 36. I haven't counted them yet. I opened it up and looked at them, but then I thought,
They better be.
I gotta close it because I gotta let my Glama beauty see it when I open each individual brush. I haven't opened all the brushes yet. I just opened this up, opened up the black case, and looked at them, but I haven't looked through every single brush yet. I wanted to do that with you. So, okay, let me show you. 36 brushes, and guess what, guys? He probably didn't want me to know this, but he knows I know because I bought them for my daughter. They were only $28 plus shipping, you know, so not bad at all for 36 brushes. So they come in a really nice, cool case. See? It says BH Cosmetics, I believe. Yeah, right there. BH Cosmetics. And it's got this little closure right there that you can open this with, and ooh, let me show you. This is awesome. Okay, well, I wish I could get the camera further away. Let me show you. Let me see if I can do it this way. So look, it opens up and you think that's it, right? That's not all. You open it this way and you think that's it. That's not all. And you open it this way and ta-da! There we go. These are all the brushes. OMG. And I love how it's got this little flap right here. See? It's got that flap covering them. And then this one has a huge, huge fan brush. Look at that. Huge. So this might be kind of a long video because I'm going to show you each and every brush. I'll try to do it fast though. Okay, woohoo! I'm so excited. And I didn't use them today. I want to use them tomorrow. I thought, ooh, I should put makeup on and try them out. But I thought, no, I don't want the brushes to be dirty when I show them to my Glama beauties. So I'll use them tomorrow. All right, so let's start with the big fan brush. At least I think that's what it's called. I wish, you know, the only thing that I wish the BH cosmetic brushes had is I wish it had the name of them right here, because the fact that I'm still learning, I don't know what everything is really for. So, yeah. Ooh, it's so soft. Let me see if you can tell just by me. See, look at how soft the bristles are. Ooh, soft enough to brush a baby's behind with. Ooh, it's so soft. Feels feather light. Woohoo! this one, and this looks like a blush brush to me. At least that's what I think. But to me, that's what this looks like. It looks like a rounded blush brush. Whee! See how soft and pretty? Woohoo! And I love the color. It's a silver gray handle. Alrighty then. Hey, let me see. Oh, I guess you can. Oh, that's cool. See, it has the. It has this plastic cheap wrapper, but then it also has this nice nifty sturdier cover where you can keep the bristles all nice and shapely. So that's awesome. Now this looks like I forget what they're called. I need to do my research, you know, and if I go online, it tells you the name of what every single brush is for, so I wish they would have sent me a little printout of that, but I'll go online and I'll memorize what these brushes are for. This is a little flat head, and this is like for stippling, you know, you could do blending or your foundation. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, ooh, this is an angled brush. See, it's got an angle to it. That's awesome. What do you use this for? I can't wait to find out. Awesome. I know, I'm silly. For 50 years old, I still act pretty silly, right? You know, I'll have to read you something that my son wrote on Facebook to me earlier today. It brought me to tears. He called me a Wonder Woman and everything, and I'll have to read it to you later when I get my phone over here. But yeah, here's another brush. Woohoo! I know this is going to probably be boring to you because I'm just showing a bunch of brushes. Brushy, 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 brushy. Okay, ooh, this is nice. Yeah, that's a nice shaped brush. See? Here, I'll move this way. That's a nice shape. See, I love that a lot of these brushes look like they could be used for the same thing, because when you're using one color and then you go to switch for another color, you wish you had another brush that didn't have that same color on it. So that's awesome. See, that one's very similar, but it's a little bit more flat than the one I just showed you. Here's the one I just showed you. See, this is the one I just showed you, and this is this one. But when you look at it this way, they look like they're shaped the same, but not that way. Okay. Yes, yes, I know. Silly Glama. So many of y'all probably remember, right? The reason I call myself Glama is because my Glama girls, my granddaughters, call me Glama. Because they say I look too young to be a grandma, but I'm not too young. I guess they just thought I looked too young when they were born, but I don't think I look that young now. Alright, I'll quit babbling and I'll just show you the brushes. Ooh, that's nice. That looks like that could be a concealer brush for right here. Yep. So those other ones that I showed you had that really nice harder plastic cover to put back on, but these don't. And this one's angled, see? That's an angled brush too, and it's smaller. Wow, if y'all know what these little angled ones are for, I would love to know. Share it with me. Share what you know with me. Okay. Down the line. Here's this one. This also looks like it could be for, whatchamacallit, concealer. There's that one. See, it's got kind of a rounded head, but not quite. I know there's other ones that have a rounder head than this. Here's this one. Ooh, that's nice. That could be good like for blending right here. Okay. So if y'all were ever wondering if BH Cosmetic brushes are good, I haven't tried them yet, so I'll let you know after I try them, but I wasn't sure if they were going to be soft. But they are so soft. I love them. Yay! So that's kind of a flat brush. See? Yeah. Alrighty. On to the next one. Let me show you where we are in case you're starting to get bored. We've already looked at all of these. We're about right there, so we got that much more to go. Alrighty then. There's that one. Ooh, that's an eyeshadow brush, I believe. By the shape of it, I can tell it's an eyeshadow brush. Today I have hard candy eyeshadow. I don't know the name of it, but it's hard candy. Okay, here's, that looks like an eyeshadow brush too. It looks like when you want to put the darker colors on the outer corners, because you see how it's angled. Yeah, so that looks like that's what that's for. Alright. Ooh, and I've wanted some of these so bad. They're like pointy brushes. You can kind of like get right in there and put a darker color in if you want and stuff. At least that's what I'm going to use it for. Oh, and this one's a small flat brush. Flat round brush. Cool. I love it. Okay. So far I recommend these because they are so soft. I'm so impressed with the softness of them. Okay, I'll just go faster now because now they're all kind of starting to look alike, but they're not. They just look alike. Okay, here's the next one. Ooh, that's cool. That's a cool brush. Okay. Ooh, that's a short flat brush. See? Awesome. Wow. I'm gonna have to have my daughter tell me how to use all these, or like I said, I'll go online and maybe I'll print out where it tells you the names of all the brushes. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. It's a cute little brush. Okay. So there's that. So can you tell I'm not as depressed as you might have imagined that I was before, because makeup stuff makes me happy. Okay. Ooh, that's a little brush. That's probably like a gel liner brush or something. See, because it's got a flat head. You could use it like this. Or you could use it to blend in your eyeliner on the bottom. No, there's probably no real right or wrong way to use any one of these brushes. Oh, my husband just brought me the thing online on bhcosmetic.com, and it shows all the names of the brushes right there. But now I'm already halfway through, so yeah. Oh, and there's the other one. See, there's that big fan brush right there. And all the way down, and we're probably way beyond that now. I'm almost done showing you all my brushes. Now, if he could only buy me a pill that would make me lose these 6 pounds that I've gained, I'd be really happy. Okay, but no, he's always saying, well, you know what to do. And I said, I know, I don't want to exercise. I hate to exercise. I've never had to exercise my whole life. I've always just been skinny. But now, all those milkshakes and burgers and fries have caught up to me. Getting a double chin, getting a double tire around my tummy. Not too bad, but bad enough that I better start taking care of it before it gets out of control. Ooh, that looks like an eyeliner brush. Okay. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 more to go. Ooh, that's an eyeliner brush for sure. See that? Awesomeness. Wow. Need to buy me some liquid gel now. Some liquid eyeliner. Cool. Okay. My word, I'm gonna have so much fun playing. Oh, this one also comes with a little cover. See? Ooh, I'm probably not gonna be able to get it on nicely either, because it'll... Nope, it's not gonna go back on the way it was, because if I go like that, the bristles will all go crooked. That's cool. Alright, are y'all bored yet? We are at 16 minutes. But I gotta show you everything. Here's a sponge brush right there. It's really soft. The ones you buy at your drugstores that come with the eyeshadows and stuff. Man, compared to these, those are cheap. Now I know what a real one feels like. And here's a little fan brush. Whee! It's cute. You're so cute. Oh, and here's a mascara brush, or you could even brush your eyebrows with it. I don't have enough eyebrows, but yeah. And here's the real eyebrow brush and comb. Well, I guess this can be used for combing your eyelashes. You can separate your eyelashes, and this can be used for your eyebrows. Alrighty guys, so that's it. Those are all my brushes. Woohoo! Aren't they adorbs? Adorbs. Adorbs. Woohoo! Maybe they'll make me as adorbs. I gotta learn how to use them all, don't I? Okay, so look, you just close it, close it, close it, roll it, and then you close it right here. It's hard to look in the camera and do it at the same time. Okay, so I told you earlier that my son had wrote something on Facebook, so I want to read it to you. I'll see if I can get through it okay. I hadn't quite finished reading it this morning, and I could already tell it was going to make me cry. So I said, Adam, let me read this to you. I can't believe he wrote this. It's so sweet. Because you know kids, they don't always share their feelings. My son is 29. He'll be 30 in December. Like I said, I just turned 50. And I didn't even know if he'd remember that it was the day that I was born. So anyway, my Facebook page is called Glama's Corner. I also have a Facebook page called Made with Love by Glama. That's my crochet page. And I have a Facebook group page called Ladies Crochet Show and Tell Happy Hour. Woohoo! Okay, so let me see if I can find what my son wrote me. Hold on. So this was his post right here. And he said, see if I can get through it. This here gorgeous woman is my mom, with a smiley face. Strong, determined, caring, smart, goofy, brave are just a small fraction of words describing my mom. I'd like to wish this Wonder Woman a happy 50th today, and from the very depths of my heart say, thank you, Mom, for everything, and sorry for all I put you through. I know at times I seem thoughtless and careless to your motherly acts for me. I know you've sacrificed a lot, but I'm always aware, always observant, and always very grateful inside. I love you so much, Mama. Aww. He puts Mama because when he was little, he used to say, Mama, I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. So he doesn't call me Mama anymore. He calls me Mom. But he knew this would touch my heart. So yeah. And then this picture, whoops, this picture right here. Let's see if I can click on it. Okay, so that picture right there has that little cartoon thingy. I'll read that to you. It says, if at first you don't succeed, try doing it the way Mom told you in the beginning. And then the other one says, all moms give birth to a child, except my mom. She gave birth to a legend. High five, Mom. Of course, he had to give himself a little kudos there, didn't he? And that's my little Princess Kylie. For my crochet channel, I taught everyone how to make that little princess puppy dress. So if y'all want to learn how to crochet, go to my YouTube channel at Made with Love by Glama. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and I wanted to share my little bit of happiness of getting these brushes. Woohoo! I'll be sad about turning 50 tomorrow. All right, guys. I love you. Bye. Mwah.